to Cook and Bake with Samer. Today I want to turn our cream cheese into a strawberry cream cheese. We got some bagels and I didn't want to just get or eat it with just regular cream cheese. I wanted to add to it. So I have 2 packs of 8-ounce cream cheese, and I have a pound of strawberries here. What I did already, I already cored them, and I'm going to hand chop them. But let me show you how I chop them. So after I cored them, I put it down like this. I cut it like into the longer side, not the wider side. And then I just kind of cut it about 3, depending on the strawberry. Sometimes you need 4, sometimes you need 3, depending on the size. Then I kind of put them like this next to each other and just cut them into the smaller pieces. There we go. And the reason I'm cooking them is because then they last longer. What I'm using here is I'm using a saute pan. You can use saucepan, you can use saute pan, whichever really convenient for you. I just started them here in our saute pan, and we're going to let them heat up on really like medium low heat. I want them to cook. I need the water that comes out from the strawberries to dry out as well. Look at our strawberries, how they are starting to reduce down a little bit. Just keep an eye on them. You want to stir them every 3 to 5 minutes maybe. Just don't, it's not like a set it and forget it thing. They took about 25 minutes, and after they become to room temperature, we'll come back and I'll show you what we're going to do with the cream cheese. Our strawberries are at room temperature, and I have here the 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese at room temperature. So, and I've started to mix them here. So we're going to have our own homemade strawberry cream cheese. Just make sure you mix it well for the flavors. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Very nice. I like it. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share. And until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.